know that humans learned to swim a long, long time ago? Out of necessity? And today, swimming is one of the most fun and complete sports in the world. Are you ready to become a little fish with me? Then get ready, because the adventure is about to start. To swim well, we need to control our breathing. Let's test your athlete lungs. Take a deep breath. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Release. Wow! You're almost ready for the Olympics. Did you know there are 4 incredible ways to cross the pool? The crawl, which is super fast. Backstroke, for those who like to look at the sky. Breaststroke, which looks like a little frog movement. And the butterfly, which requires a lot of strength and rhythm. Have you ever heard of an event called the medley, where the athlete swims all these styles at once? It's a true challenge for champions. There are also relay races, where teamwork makes all the difference. Swimming is so good for you. It's great to cool off, make friends, but watch out, adventurer. In the water, safety is our life buoy. And the golden rule, if you are learning, never ever get into the water without the supervision of a teacher or a responsible adult. Deal? Always wear goggles to protect your eyes and a swim cap. And the best part, it's a sport you can practice in pools, rivers, lakes, and even the sea. And learn something that can save lives. Swimming could be your next big passion. So how about diving into this idea? I'll see you on our next run, or rather, our next dive. See you next time on My First Sport. Splash!